Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I just gonna say that I'm out of breath right now. We just hit 70 subscribers and now we are all the way to 84. So I am now gonna be doing the giveaway. I already added people to the wheel, so let's apply wheel changes, and I am now picking winners. So let's now choose the winners, guys. We are gonna just press this a million times. Okay, there you go. Oh, I'm waiting for the ding. Okay. CHU. CHU. LU. PAAA. Congrats. Well, congratulations. I can't pronounce your username, but congratulations. I can't click your username. I can't click your user tag, lol. Okay, I think it's this girl? Yeah, okay. I'm gifting it. Okay, so let's now give her her prize. Congrats. Oh, okay. As I lag, guys, lag. Oh, what? How is that even possible? Congrats. Let's just gift her this spike, lovely spike. Come on. I'm just gonna gift her as I can. Okay. Ooh. Come on. Lag, as it's very suspenseful. Come on. And or is it? It says, are you sure you want to? Yes, yes, I'm sure. Animal Jam, stop it! I just want to give this away. There you go. Sent. Congrats. But thank you guys so much for 83 subscribers now. Up 82 now. As I go down. Congratulations. But yeah. Just thank you all very much, and I will be doing the next giveaway at 100 subscribers, guys. At 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a face reveal plus another giveaway, so I don't know. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!